Hi, welcome to Amos. My name's Simon. I'm going to take you around this Elddis Evolution 155. Done just under 15,000 miles, 2020. It's a Brownhill special that was built for them by Elddis. Right, as we go round, on this side we have got the fridge vents, which is here. We've got outside shower, which is here. Going round here, you've got your fresh and wastewater outlets. It comes with a solar panel on as well. On the rear of the van, you've got your fresh water input, your cassette toilet, battery box main input with a 4 bike rack, and along with a reversing camera. We go around the side, because this is a French bed, you've got access from underneath here as well, as you can see. Yeah. Alongside that you've got a barbecue point, and again you've got your gas locker, which is there. This also has had extra locks fitted onto the door security wise. Right, before we go in, you've got fly screen on the door. Right, this being a 2 litre on the Peugeot, it comes with aircon, cruise control, driver, passenger airbag, and the reversing camera is on to the internal mirror. Yeah. You've got blinds as well to the front cab windows and to the side cab windows as well on this. Oh. And obviously blinds and fly screens to all the windows as well, opening windows, along again with a nice skylight you've got here all through. It's throwing a lot of light into this seating area. Yeah. This van as well has also got underneath here 2 travelling seats as well. Yeah. So it sleeps 4 and travels 4. Again, you've got the fridge, which is a 3-way gas 12 volt 240 with the freezer box. It's a Dometic. And again, you've got then on the cooking side 3 gas, 1 electric hob with the grill and oven. Going back on the left hand side of it, it's got superb wardrobe space with your freestanding table kept there, and again there is your aerial for you. Yeah. Right, as I said, being the French bed, so it is cut off a bit, but you have got a dividing door to stretch the bedroom off all together if you required. TV point in the bedroom as well, which is just fixed on the wall here. Nice bathroom again now, still separate toilet and shower. The toilet's pushed across the back with the shower again that screen pulls across to open it all up.
Got a drop down sink.
Yeah, drop down sink at the top. It's a nice clean tidy van. As I say, it's a special edition that was built for Brownhills by Elddis. If you want to grab yourself a bargain, get down to Don Amos and somebody will take you through the vehicle as well.